LTC, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If we refer to our analysis, in my last video, mentioned we're looking for buy continuation when the price within this move. We mentioned one of the options is to look for drop. Then from there, we look for the reversal. As we can see, the price drop, but it didn't retest this low. Okay. And we mentioned if the price continue from here, we can have entry above this, or we can wait for the breakout of this, and next flag we look for trade. Anyway, we should be in this trade, and if anyone get this trade, they should start to manage. And by the way, beside this, we had the trade set up even within this, but we didn't have the update, because if we refer to my last analysis, we mentioned we wants to see the breakout. I mean, one more drop, the price drop, but it didn't retest this low. And when we see this move, we could consider this one as a correction for continuation. All right. Anyway, as I mentioned, we didn't have any update for that. And based on our last analysis, either we should look for this trade from this flag or having entry above this based on 1 hour chart. And now we want to see what's the next. In this case, we move to higher time frame. We start with daily chart. We have been looking for the breakout of the previous top, which is this one, and we got, and now we're looking for continuation. We have a divergence. We don't need to care for that. We, for sure, the price can continue. And if we move to daily chart, the right, monthly chart, we're looking for the breakout of the highest price, which is 370. All right. Anyway, based on daily chart, we don't have any trade set up. Just look continuation. The only thing is whatever the trade within this move, we have to start to manage. And if I move to forward chart, similar to what we had based on daily chart, we don't have any trade set up, and we're just looking for continuation. Anyway, from now, if you wants to look for trade, any correction or flag based on lower time frame, we will take the trade. Okay, even based on 1 hour chart, we don't have any trade set up. The only thing is whatever the trade we get within this move, we have to start to manage. And from now, we can look for continuation. Any correction of flag, we can look for trade, but as a short-term trade, because we want to see the breakout of the highest price, which is based on monthly chart. We put our line here, exactly around this one. Right. We need to see the breakout of the price at this top, which is almost 370. That's mean if we move to 1 hour chart, we want to see the breakout of this. That's mean if we want to trade within this, still we can look for flag or correction, but we need to be quite careful. Okay, because we know the price is at the top. That's why is anyone get a trade within this from this flag or from here. Okay, but I want to see within this range, at least move their stop loss to break even. All right, and still we're looking for continuation, but as long as the price haven't broke 370, we need to be quite careful. All right, and as I mentioned, still we can look for buy. And how about the indicators? MACD doesn't show us anything. We see the divergence here. We don't need to care about that. The only thing is uh, we don't have any trade setup, but any trade setup from now until the price haven't broke 370, we need to consider as a short-term trade. But after the breakout of the 370, if it's break with a short move, and if a lag correction, for sure we will take the trade. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.